Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sanderson, Vice Principal at the Hurlingham Academy and Acting Head of RE. At the Hurlingham Academy, full course GCSE RE is compulsory for all students. This is because the course gives the students the opportunity to examine a range of religious, social and ethical issues that are really important in our society today. For example, issues to do with human rights, how we treat the environment, why there is evil and suffering in the world. In GCSE RE, students examine different religious and secular responses to these type of questions, and that's so that they can make their own informed judgment about religious, social and ethical issues, and thereby have the skills to be active, engaged and responsible citizens. The course is composed of 3 distinct units. The first is Religious, Philosophical and Ethical Studies in the Modern World, and this is 50% of the GCSE. This is divided into 4 different themes that are each looked at from a Christian, Muslim and secular perspective. The first is relationships, and this examines issues to do with marriage, divorce, contraception and same-sex relationships. Second theme is life after death, and this examines issues to do with creation, the relationship between religion and science, how we should treat the environment, abortion, euthanasia and life after death. The third theme is issues of good and evil, and this examines why and how criminals are punished, arguments for and against capital punishment, forgiveness, why is there evil and suffering in the world, and issues to do with free will. The final theme is human rights, and this examines issues to do with prejudice and discrimination, censorship, freedom of religious expression, religious extremism, and wealth and poverty. And when they study all of these themes, the students will be using a variety of skills, including discussion, analysis, evaluation, and empathy. Along the second unit students study is the beliefs, teachings, and practices of Christianity, which is 25% of the GCSE. And the third unit that students study is the beliefs, teachings and practices of Islam, which is again 25% of the final GCSE. These 2 units allow students to study the 2 largest world faiths in detail. Students look at the key beliefs of each faith, such as the nature of God, and key practices such as forms of worship and pilgrimage. Students learn how to express common and divergent views within Christianity and Islam, and how to make reference to scripture to fully develop their ideas. Students are assessed through 3 exams. First exam is on the first unit, Religious, Philosophical and Ethical Issues in the Modern World, and that is a 2-hour written paper. Third exam is Study of Christianity, which is a 1-hour written paper. And the third exam is Study of Islam, which is again a 1-hour written. Students gain a lot of skills from RSGCSE. They explore the significance and impact of beliefs and express their personal response, giving informed insights on fundamental questions about identity, belonging, purpose, truth, values and commitment. They also develop an inquiring, critical and reflective approach to the study of religion. And GCSE Religious Studies is a really valuable subject as it shows future employers that each student has respect for other cultures and religious traditions, and they understand the importance of ethics. The skills that are developed in GCSE Religious Studies are also complementary to any future career with critical thinking, problem solving, moral dilemmas, personal reflection, teamwork and dealing with conflict resolution. Now, if you have any more questions, or if you would like any more information about RSGCSE, please contact me, Dr. Sanderson, at the Hurlingham Academy. Thank you very much for listening.